Right, so today we are going to create a hello world function using Lambda. So we're going to open the AWS management console and go to all services. And then we're going to highlight Lambda here and read what Lambda is. AWS Lambda is a compute service that runs your code in response to events and automatically manages the compute resources for you. Basically serverless. You click on Lambda. Right, and then we're going to create function. Then we're going to do one from scratch. It's already selected, so we're going to give our function a name here. Remember, you can't put spaces here. And we're going to choose our runtime, which is in the code. Please note Java 11 correcto. The code cannot be edited inside AWS. You have to import the code already working and then deploy it. So because I want to show the editing, I'll just go ahead and use Python. The architecture remains the same, and then click create function. So just give us a while to load here to create the function. Okay, so right away it loads up into the function overview, and it tells us that the code has been updated while you were making changes. So click OK, and this here is the code here. All right, and the execution results. No execution results yet. We could also view the test data here. We can feel free to change this as we see fit. And let's go back to the code side, and then we are going to deploy. It's already deployed, and we're going to test this using the current test data. So we're going to click test, and it prints the response for us as hello from Lambda. All right, so now I'm going to just modify this code. All right, paste it here, and then of course I'm going to modify the test data as well. So now I'm just going to change the test data, right, and then give my test event a new name. So hello test, right? Again, no spaces. Then I'm going to click save changes, go back to the code side. All right, and then I'm just going to have to deploy these changes I just made here. Right, changes deployed. Then I'm going to select the hello test event and then see what prints out. So we got the test event name hello test, the response hello world printed 3 times, and then this logs here shows the output of the function. All right, just have some print statements to print out these things here. Now with the functions, now we could also monitor some metrics based on the function. All right, so we have something called CloudWatch metrics. Right, they offer some information about the functions thereby. So invocations is the number of times your function code is executed, including successful executions and executions that result in an error. Right, so like duration, the amount of time that your event code, that your function code spends processing an event. We have error counts and success rates, self-explanatory. Throttles, the number of invocation requests that are throttled, right? And we have like concurrent executions, the number of function instances that are processing events, right? So based on how the function operates, or just for a matter of fact, anything that happens with it, it will be measured and displayed here in the CloudWatch metrics. Just want to show you an example of some invocation I had for this function previously. Just shows how the graph operates. We could also adjust the filters, right, to get minutes, and it shows you what happens, right? So I'm just going to take off the custom view, just clear it here, and go back to the normal view. All right, so that is AWS using Lambda. All right.